Hi, I am Aditya and I'm belongs from Madhya Pradesh, Gwalior. And today I have joined the session AI tool session. So it's really amazing, and it is such a amazing session, and it is very helpful to me. And I'm also a part of the initial 30 members. And also I like to hear some tools and some more some more helpful tools like Canva. I heard about this Canva, but I never I'm not able to use it. Even I'm not aware how to use it. And like PPT tools and lot of tools I'm aware it by today's session. Yeah, it's really awesome. It's really awesome, and it is also helpful to me for AI. And also, I'll believe in future perspective. I can also learn a data scientist, data science, and AI tools. That is the good things in the market nowadays. So I'll be helpful to you. It will be helpful for me. So thank you so much. And I'll be waiting for the recording session for today's session's recording. So, thank you.